Hello, my friends and fan. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today, I will show you another iconic miniature after Lepcha. I hope so in Bangladesh, no one make this type of model. If you notice that, please inform me. Today's video is tiny big, so don't be patient and request you to see full video. So, let's go. This project I arrange like octa-angle, that means 8 angle of view, like this. And now enter making progress. Main structure is complete and placed to dry. In this lazy moment, I try to use module system process for making left and right side accommodation. And after complete those two parts, I cut this and add to main structure. And now paint job. In this time I use acrylic color for paint. So at first I covered full body with white paper. Paint start with blue color. Firstly I paint upper line, and after drying this I paint water line carefully. So all work is complete. You can't make it overnight. Making of miniature is not easy. If you make it real, you need more than 30 days to fulfill it. Request you to see final cut for full completed model. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.